Hi, everybody. It's Kara James here with Pursue and Thrive Business Coaching and also advisor with Strategic Advisor Board. So today we're going to talk about step 2 of a workshop that I did. And I'm going to do this in really fast motion here to keep this short. So today we're talking about the step 2, which is creating your unique offer that easily sells because it's unique and it's something they want. It's a no-brainer. So your offer is basically the bridge of A to B, right? You're taking them, it's just you're going to have the solution to one problem. So picture like a little island, like that's Misery Island, and you are the transportation that will get them to Pleasure Island, right? The one main thing that you're going to help them accomplish, and your vehicle is how you will get them there. So that vehicle is 3 to 5 steps, right? What are the 3 to 5 steps? Not 15, not 2, 3 to 5 that take your client from point A to point B, from the misery to pleasure, right? What you're going to do is, well, of course, dig deep. I'm saying that all the time because it's always why. Even with life coaching, it's why, deeper layers of the onion. So when you have these steps laid out that are going to, give them the solution that they want, you're going to name them. So this is your IP, this is your intellectual property, your unique methodology that nobody else has. And you're going to name that. You're going to name the steps. And it doesn't have to be initials or, preferably it's something you would like to use that shows the desire of what they're going to get. It shows the solution, right? For example, I have the twist method, which is kind of a little bit funny, but I like to say that it's twist because it's different. And basically it's, for the T, we're together and we work on time management and getting started right from the beginning of setting out how you're going to create your program by having time management in place. And then the W is working together. We are, we have accountability pods and things like that keep everybody, accountable. And then the I is for irresistible. We work on your irresistible offer. The S is for sales. We work on sales pages and sales calls. And then the T is for, telling all, getting your testimonials and getting it out to the world. But so that's it in a nutshell. And then, of course, breaking that down, the 3 to 5 steps are, working with time management mindset, and then the irresistible offers and getting the offer created. And then the third pillar is the sales and how to create an excellent sales letter, copy. And yeah, again, doesn't have to be initials. So, for example, like a health coach might call her program the Melt-Away Method. I love that, right? Or a dating coach, the Mate for Life Method. I mean, it's just something like, oh, I want to have that. That sounds great. I'd love a mate for life. And then crafting your perfect I help statement, right? So this is, again, this is a quick tutorial. Please follow me, get into my world. I'll put my link for my Facebook group. We get into this a lot deeper. But yeah, so it's I help, use an adjective, and then whoever your ideal client is, to blah, 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 what it is you do, they're your solution, so they can, what's their desired goal, using my twist method. And this is just one example of an I help statement. We work on your USP, what's your unique selling proposition. That's a must-have, right? And it doesn't have to be something super extensive. I've talked about this before. It can be as simple as the way you deliver it or the time that you deliver it. And it can be, I can get them from A to B shorter than most, for example, coaches, right? So it doesn't, a lot of people are thrown off by this, like, well, gosh, I don't have a super unique selling proposition, but I help a lot with that. please reach out to me. We can talk about yours. I offer free consultation, so reach out anytime. You also want to make competition irrelevant, right? So you want to list out your 3 competitors and see what they offer. Compare their offers. How can you be different? You're not going to copy it. You're not going to copy it. You're going to see how you can make yours better. What's their time frame? Well, can I make mine shorter, right? A lot of times less is more. So, sometimes we think, if I have all of this, that, and the other in my program, people are going to want it. But a lot of times less is more. They want to get to their desired result quickly, right? And then, like I said, how can you make yours better? Can it cost less? Do you have people that can come in and help teach as well? Say for your group programs, are you bringing in other experts, that type of thing? There's many, many ways to make it, different and better, right? And I love to throw in quotes. So the Coco Chanel is, in order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different, right? So we definitely want to have our own little differences in unique areas. So happy to help with that. Reach out to me anytime, please. And always here to help. So please like, subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you soon. Take care.